This is the last video of this series where I'm taking a basic haircut step by step and showing you exactly how this works. We've now done the clippers on the side, we've cut the top with scissors. Now I'm going to show you how to blend those two together. Step 8, blend sides into top. Slide comb up through the sides. As soon as long hair comes out of the comb, slide clippers with no guard flush across the comb to cut. Let me show you how to do that. Slide my comb up through the hair, and I'm going to slide my clippers across the comb, just like the instructions say, to blend everything together. We're going to go straight up and not round with the head. As soon as I run out of hair to cut, we're going to move on to my next section. Step 10 says, if there are still lines on the sides, put the clipper guards back on and rock them away from the head. Just make sure that there aren't any lines right up there where these two need to be blended. Next step is one of my favorites because it makes everyone feel like they just gave the best haircut at home. So if there's any little part that you don't feel like is super blended, just grab these texturing shears and make a few little cuts, and it is going to take the haircut from being good to great. Step 12, comb the bangs forward and cut in little V's. Step 13, we are almost done with the haircut. Grab your trimmers and do the outline of the haircut. Last step to every haircut is grab your favorite hair product and style the hair. You just put all this work into cutting it. Now you might as well style it so it can look so cute.